Welcome to Reviewsinside.tv. Today we're taking a close look at a blender that's not only functional but also a piece of retro-inspired art for your kitchen, the SMEG BLF03 Retro Style Blender. From its iconic design to its high-performance capabilities, this is one product that promises to stand out both in looks and function. Let's see if it truly delivers everything it promises. The SMEG BLF03 isn't just about good looks, though, let's be real, that vintage 50s-inspired design in pastel green is hard to ignore. This blender is part of SMEG's Retro Style collection, known for bringing that nostalgic, bold aesthetic into modern kitchens. But behind that striking appearance, it packs some serious power. With a 600-watt motor, it's built to handle everything from smoothies to soups with ease. Whether you're crushing ice or pureeing vegetables, this blender can handle it. And with the addition of a smooth start function, the motor ensures a smooth blending experience, avoiding sudden jolts when you start blending. The 48-aughts Trite-Hand Renew BPA-Free jug is another highlight. It's lightweight, durable, and shatter-resistant, making it a practical choice for daily use. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning up after your blending session is a breeze. SMEG clearly keeps convenience in mind here, as the jug is designed not only for functionality, but also to preserve the flavors of your ingredients, keeping everything tasting fresh. What really makes this blender stand out is the custom blending control. You've got 3 speeds plus a pulse function, so whether you're looking for a quick blend or a more controlled result, you're covered. But it doesn't stop there. The BLF03 also features 4 preset modes, including Ice Crush, Smoothie, and even a self-cleaning mode. This makes it easy to use for specific tasks with the touch of a button, adding a layer of versatility to your kitchen routine. In terms of size, the SMEG BLF03 is compact enough to fit under most cabinets, so you won't need to find extra space on your countertop. Its measurements, 7 inches in width, 16 inches in height, and 8 inches in depth, make it ideal for smaller kitchens where space is often at a premium. And even though it's compact, it doesn't compromise on its presence. The die-cast aluminum base gives the blender a premium metallic finish that's sturdy and stylish, ensuring it looks just as good as it performs. Now let's talk about how this blender actually performs. Setting it up was simple, with the blender's components snapping together easily. Using it was just as effortless. I tested it with smoothies, soups, and ice, and the results were impressive. The 600-watt motor handled ice with no problem, crushing it to a fine consistency for smoothies. For soups, it created a smooth, velvety texture with minimal effort. The 3 speeds and pulse function allowed me to adjust the texture to my preference, while the preset functions like Ice Crush made blending even easier. When it comes to everyday tasks like making smoothies or crushing ice for a quick cocktail, the BLF03 really shines. However, no product is without its flaws. While the SMEG BLF03 excels at blending and has a beautifully designed base, it's not the quietest blender I've used. The 600-watt motor, while powerful, can be a bit noisy, especially when blending tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or ice. Also, while the Trend jug is durable, I did notice that it can be a bit heavy when filled to capacity, which may be a factor to consider if you have trouble with lifting heavy objects. But overall, these are minor inconveniences when weighed against the blender's strong performance and impressive design. In terms of value for money, the SMEG BLF03 is definitely positioned as a premium product. You're paying for the craftsmanship, design, and reliable performance. In comparison to similar blenders in the same price range, it's a solid choice if you're after a blend of style and functionality. There are certainly cheaper alternatives out there that may offer similar performance, but they don't match the SMEG's retro design or the quality of build. If you're looking for something that brings a little extra flair to your kitchen while still delivering top-tier results, the SMEG BLF03 could be worth the investment. Let's quickly compare it to some of its competitors. There are blenders from brands like Vitamix and Ninja that offer more power or larger capacity, but they lack the aesthetic appeal of the SMEG. On the other hand, if you're simply looking for a more budget-friendly blender, you might find similar performance from other brands. But again, they won't offer the same retro look and premium build. The SMEG's design makes it stand out in a sea of typically more utilitarian-looking blenders. When it comes to build quality, the SMEG BLF03 doesn't disappoint. The die-cast aluminum base is durable and adds a touch of luxury. It feels solid and well-made, and the jug, made from Triton Renew BPA-Free plastic, is sturdy enough to withstand daily use. I would expect this blender to last for a good number of years, assuming it's cared for properly. While I haven't had the chance to test it over several years yet, SMEG has a solid reputation for producing long-lasting, high-quality appliances. If you need customer support, SMEG has a reputation for offering good service, though I didn't need to reach out during my time using the product. Their support team is known for being responsive and helpful, which adds to the peace of mind when purchasing one of their products. So what's the final verdict on the SMEG BLF03 retro-style blender? In terms of performance, it's a top-tier blender for smoothies, soups, and ice crushing. The design is undeniably stylish, and the build quality is excellent. While it's a bit noisy and the jug can get heavy when full, these are minor issues that don't detract from its overall functionality. If you're willing to invest in something that combines great performance with iconic design, the SMEG BLF03 is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who want a blender that does the job well, but also adds a touch of elegance to the kitchen. If you're looking for something with more power or a larger capacity, there are alternatives to consider. But for a well-rounded, stylish, and functional blender, the SMEG BLF03 is hard to beat. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more great product insights from Reviewsinsidetv. If you already own the SMEG BLF03 or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep blending in style.